Hi guys, welcome sa El Nido. That is the mountain view. I'm staying here some years. So we're just going to cross and let's try to check. So I'm going to tour you around El Nido. So you can find different kinds of restaurants here and also souvenir shops like that, and then hotel as well. That's nice. I've never seen this one. There's like Province Hotel, and I thought there's no ATM, but there's like ATM over here. Souvenir shops here in Nido, and then traveling tours, Japanese food, bar. What is this? Chow. Oh, look at that, it's nice. So waiting for work. Hello. Diving center. It's raining. So we have to find also like 1 liter of water for drinking, because you cannot drink the water that is like from the tap or from the faucet here. So everything should be like in a bottle. Italian food. ATM. That's it? No more? Okay. No more there. Yeah. Let's try. Let's go here.
Ay dito, galing dito ilang kayo? Apat din. Dito mga tatlo.
Pizza, what else? Bakery, Filipino food. No more. I think that's it. Town Square, what is that? Okay. Alright, let's go back. Okay, let's go on the other side. Sunset Bakery. Good thing that Astoria has this kind of sneakers, and it's for free. But that is the mountain view. Smells good. it's flooded. Big alley. Now we're on this side. Paris, if you want to Paris. Grotto as well, Filipino food. Road. El Nido, that is El Nido. Smells really nice. All kinds of souvenir. Everything's there. And the police station. Now I'm hungry. Barracuda Seafood Restaurant, Bundatan Buffet, 499.
Wala package dito po kami. Ready, sir? Ha? Meron package kami, sir.
Street food experience. It's nice. Wow. Oh, that's it. Oh, they're trying to repair something here. Open point, that is that. Oh, that is the board. We should go there. And then after that, you can just have some dinner as well. Let's try. Let's walk.
Oh, sir, driver, sir. Driver, sir.
Yeah, so that is the sea. I need it. And, but I want to check this.
For dinner kayo, sir. Seafood po, we have set meal.
Oh wow.
Hello, sir.
Look at that. So nice. Nido. We can try.
Oh, well.
some shades of orange in the...
You notice that?
Yeah. See. Why to leave my...
I don't know. That's horrible. I hope it's not really expired.
But
We try to find this art cafe.
you think it's fog or like it's usual fog or is it just like the clouds? Because they're pretty low.
They're pretty low.
Let's see. End video.
Ay,
Nido. Hello, Nido.
walang walk.
Let's try to walk. By this vlog, it's your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, next. Bye bye.